and she just went westbound on Glen Mariah. We're Delta 11 Central. I got her stopped here at Glen Mariah and Rock Run. Really?
What?
Why are we driving that fast?
Oh, I'm sorry.
That, absolutely not. You got your driver's license on you?
I don't have my backpack on me. I have a picture.
Alright.
Literally, look at me, bro.
Like, why? Like, why are we going that fast?
I'm sorry. I was just taking videos and I just got caught.
That's very dangerous.
I know, I'm sorry.
You know I can arrest you right now if I wanted to.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Seriously, I'm sorry. I literally got this bike like 2 months ago.
Alright.
Not even 2 months ago.
Like, I get it. It's a bike. It's exciting. But, like, you're out here and I'm watching you do these lane split changes and they're dangerous. You can hurt, you can kill yourself, and you can kill other people.
I understand. I'm really sorry. I'm new to this, so, you know, the adrenaline stuff, I
got you, but that's no excuse for how you were driving.
I know, I'm sorry.
What's your first name?
Huh?
What's your first name?
It's
Turn that off. Give me the key.
It's off.
Okay, give me the key. Yep. Just keep talking.
It won't go anywhere.
Do you have a middle name?
Huh?
Do you have a middle name? Last name?
Uh.
What common spelling? Date of birth?
2003.
2003? Mm-hmm. And what state is your driver's license out of? Florida?
It's from Puerto Rico.
Okay.
Yeah, I barely moved here, too.
Okay. All right. Just hang tight with this officer for me.
Okay. I have a picture.
Have you ever had a Florida one?
Huh?
Have you ever had a Florida ID?
No, I just moved here.
Okay. How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
I'm 21.
Okay.
I have a picture of the Puerto Rican one. I mean, that's all I have right now.
Okay.
I need to go to the DMV. I just haven't had time.
Whose motorcycle is it?
Huh?
Whose motorcycle is it?
It's mine.
Okay. Should be able to get a picture on Elvis.
Huh?
He's just trying to identify you. It's registered to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It should be registered to her, so you should be able to see a picture of you. Yeah. Do you have a motorcycle endorsement? Nope. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You're not allowed to drive this. How that works in Florida, it's a criminal offense.
Really?
Yeah, you can go to jail for that.
Bruh.
Also,
I didn't know because in Puerto Rico you can.
Also, well, you can't here. That's why it's important to get a license here when you get here so you understand how the laws work. Also, from what I'm hearing on the radio, some of the behavior on the bike, it sounds like reckless driving to me. But we'll see what's going on. That's also an arrestable offense. You ever been arrested before? No? Okay. Where are you heading to?
I'm going home now.
Where's home at?
Fort Orange.
Fort Orange? Okay. How long have you lived there?
I recently moved, like literally a month ago.
A month ago? Okay.
Well, not even a month ago.
Okay.
Less than a month ago.
Where'd you live before Port Orange?
Puerto Rico.
Okay.
That's why I don't know, like, barely know.
Okay.
Because you know how Puerto Rico is.
Yeah.
You can drive there without an endorsement, so I didn't know.
Okay.
I should have looked it up. You
Yeah,
know?
all of the states, you have to have a motorcycle endorsement.
Okay. Do you guys need the picture of my ID?
When he gets done, he can come see if he needs a picture of it. Rico? Okay. Hang tight with her, I'll go see what he's got up there.
1 Alpha 513.
Oh, you don't like to listen.
Huh?
I flashed at you to slow the hell down.
I did not see you.
You waved at me.
I did not wave at you. What?
Okay.
No. I had
got
a car next to me.
I got you.
And I'm friends with them. They were taking videos of me.
I get you. I mean,
And I didn't
I'm not worried about you
see
going anywhere. You're 400.
Huh?
So I'm not worried about you going anywhere. You're on
Exactly, I
400.
know.
I have a 400 at the
They
house.
took my keys. I was not going to run away. Come on.
You ain't gonna get far.
Huh?
You ain't gonna get far.
I know. It's my first bike, man.
Have you wrecked wearing stuff like that before?
No.
I'd buy leathers if I were you.
Yeah, I know. This is my first gear, the boots. I recently moved here, so I don't have the money yet.
I got you.
You know.
I wouldn't go 86.
Huh?
I wouldn't go 86 miles per hour. I've been riding bikes for 20 years and I've fallen a
I
lot.
did not go 86.
So what do you got you at?
I wasn't even in first gear. I wasn't even in fourth gear. In fifth gear to go on 86.
Pretty reckless.
Pretty reckless.
Sounds good to me.
So.
As long as you can articulate that that's what it was, what would you say caused it reckless? Just the speed in and of itself?
The speeding, and she almost clipped numerous vehicles.
Sounds good to me.
Traveling at high rate of speed, so. Alright, man, go ahead. Step off the bike for me.
Hand me your helmet.
Can you take off your helmet?
What's gonna happen?
Well, he's going to explain that. Hand me your helmet.
Put your hands on your back for me.
Hand me your helmet.
Wait.
She's going to do that
You're
first.
gonna do that first.
Yep.
Yeah.
We're gonna arrest her?
Yep.
Give me your helmet.
Give her your helmet first.
Yep.
For what?
He's going to explain that to you.
I'll explain it.
Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back.
Have you not heard about the new law?
No, what? Dude, I recently moved here.
He'll explain it.
Yeah, go explain.
What? Dude, I recently moved here.
He'll explain it.
Yeah, he'll explain it to
I
you.
haven't even become a Florida
You want to do toe slip
citizen
for him?
yet.
Yep.
I'll tell them to come down here.
So, the reason you're being arrested, okay, is for reckless driving. Alright, and then you also are operating.
Can I take my ski mask off as well?
Yeah, I'll take it off for you. Just give me a second. He'll help you with it.
Wait, why? Could I have gotten a ticket? Like,
We're not going to give you a
why am I-
ticket.
So we're not going to give you a ticket based on the circumstances and what I observed, your driving behavior. Okay, it's reckless. So I have an option because of criminal infraction.
Couldn't I have like a decent warning? Like, I haven't even got the bike for more than a month, and I'm being arrested. Like, I don't even know the Florida laws.
That's not an excuse.
That's not an excuse for your behaviors.
Can you have error record
I
now?
wasn't even
It's to
going
be referenced for
over. Like, I wasn't
motorcycle
even in
here.
fifth gear,
So,
sir.
driver's temperature. I told you, based on what that officer had observed, that's going to constitute reckless driving. So we got two things going on here that are criminal. That there's too much wrong with that. When you go somewhere, you have to obey their laws. Just like if I go to Puerto Rico or another country, I can't go, I don't know them, and then break a bunch of them.
Yeah.
Right?
Well, I mean, I don't know. I didn't know.
That's not an excuse.
Yeah.
What?
It's not an excuse. It's your job to know
I wasn't.
the laws and the rules of the road.
So
when you are operating a motor vehicle,
Uh-huh.
and because of your behavior, these are the consequences. Okay?
So I was lane splitting. You guys saw me.
incredibly
you guys
dangerous.
saw me for like once, and I lane split in front of my friend.
Okay.
And I went in front of my friend. That was it. When you guys saw me, I went for a.
They got one in that Port Orange.
10-4, thank you.
What?
There's a female that, do you want me to take this off of you?
What were you gonna say?
Female coming to do a search of you before we put you in the back of the
I
car.
don't have anything.
Okay.
What?
I know, but she has to do
I
that.
don't have anything. Look at me. I don't even
I got
have.
you.
Well,
Come
okay,
on,
we got
man.
you. Well, we're gonna do our job, okay?
Yep.
So, do you want him to take the ski mask off for you? You want me to?
This is so excessive, man.
Okay, we'll let her talk to you then.
This is so. Oh my god.
Put her back in the car in the meantime.
Keep her right here just till female
Okay.
comes
I
out
feel
and
like
stuff like that.
there's way more motorcycle people that were driving way worse right now, and I'm being put on this right now.
Okay.
Well, I'm telling
Like,
you,
did you guys not see the
that's
1K
that's unfortunate
before
that
me?
you don't think that that's dangerous what you're doing. Because
I
it
went in
is.
front of my friend. Like,
You did more than that. You're not gonna downplay it like you weren't almost about to cause a fatal accident. Okay?
what? What's up? Sir.
You're definitely not a candidate for anything but a physical arrest, in my opinion. That the fact that you don't think anything you did serious is concerning to me.
No, I do, but I feel like this is so excessive because I genuinely.
Maybe you won't
You're not
continue this
behaving
behavior.
with
That's
excess.
excessive.
Alright, I'm
But
sorry.
that's okay. The bike's going to go to Arrow Towing, so when you get out, you can pick it up.
It's gonna be a tow yard. I can get to the
We'll
address.
write you all the information, okay?
Guys, I seriously don't know anything.
We'll explain it to you.
Man, and
We'll
you guys
explain it.
We'll explain it to you how the process
I
goes.
work
Okay.
tomorrow morning too.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got you.
I work at 6 in here.
Do you have a
what
phone?
Does that happen? I do.
You want it to go with you?
Obviously, like, am I gonna leave it with you?
Well, no. I have to ask that to
I don't
everybody.
even have my like the Florida numbers here memorized of my family or anything. Like I'm genuinely from Puerto Rico.
I'll put your phone over here so that we take it with us, okay?
I have my friend on the phone. Can you put me on speaker?
No.
What's going on?
No.
Bro, you guys are treating me like a straight up criminal.
You're gonna get to call at the jail, okay?
Once you get out there, you're gonna get to call her, okay?
From my phone?
Well,
Because I don't know her
you're
number.
gonna use
they
their
will
phone.
let you see the phone to get the number. They're gonna let you use their phone. Anything else you want from your bike?
My lips? I don't know. Like what?
Yeah, they can go with you if you want. Yeah, the helmet can't because they won't let us take you that, but everything else probably can.
Where am I gonna go?
With the bike, the jail's not gonna take that.
What? Why is it going to a tow yard? Can't I have someone pick it up?
Who can come pick it up?
Can they be here in 15 minutes?
Let me call. Can I call them? They
Where
live
are they
right
at?
there. They live right there.
Where?
Near Baskin Robbins.
We don't have a Baskin Robbins. It must be in Daytona Beach.
This is Daytona Beach.
No,
Because
you're
they
in the shores. Yeah, you're just south of there.
Man, see, I don't know anything from here.
I know that.
All right, they can pick it up right now. Can you guys
Should have
let
a
me
license.
call real quick and not waste the time
No
that
license.
I have?
No, nothing.
Yeah, I don't have my backpack. Like, if I had my backpack, I would have given
Well,
you
you don't have a driver's license either to be operating this motor vehicle. So
Can I call the person instead of wasting time so they can pick it up?
Where are they at?
yep.
I just told you Daytona. Why does it matter? They can come here in like 10 minutes.
They'll be gone by 10 minutes. The tow truck
You just
company
told
will
me
be there.
if they can pick it up in 15 minutes, they can.
Well, the tow
That
truck's already
wrecker's
on the
going to
way.
be here before then.
Dude, you guys are not letting me do anything. Like, what?
Well, you're under arrest.
You're under arrest.
You're not free to
They
do
can
whatever you
pick
want.
it up, though.
Okay, I'm not going to let you use your phone. You could come pick this up from the tow yard. If they were here right now, I'd give it to them. I'm not going to
How are
stay
they
here
gonna
until
be here
somebody
right
shows
now?
up.
How are they going to be here right now?
I don't know.
Do I just use my head and
You're
be like,
telling
yo,
me
come
they're
here?
by a Baskin Robbins, and I can tell you we don't have a Baskin Robbins. That's
The
a different
Baskin
city.
Robbins is over there. They can get here like literally anytime.
I don't think they're going to make it here in 10
They
minutes.
have friends that live over here. That
Where do they live?
Man. You guys are...
You're going to have to get the bike anyway out of the tow yard.
Yeah, I have to pay though.
Well, yeah.
And then...
Do any of them
Am
have?
I rich? Do I look rich to you?
I don't know.
Consequences of your
Yeah, I
actions
don't know
this
that.
evening.
You guys, I know. Like, I don't
But you
need
can't.
anyone
You
to
can't
sit
do.
on me.
Yeah, you can't. Do you want me to take that off of you? I can have the female take it off when she gets here.
Why you gotta be so rude? I'm sorry.
We're not being rude.
No.
We're trying to help you out.
You guys have an attitude, and I'm literally like, I haven't done anything wrong to you guys. I'm being cooperative. Like, I don't know what the hell is wrong with you guys. Can I please have someone pick it up?
If
Like-
somebody was here, I would do that, but I'm not going
You
to
just
stay there
told
until
me I
somebody
could-
shows up.
You just told me if they could come in 15 minutes. You just wasted like 10 minutes right now.
Okay, I'm not going to talk to you anymore. No, the bike's getting towed. So we're clear.
How much is it to get it towed?
That depends how long you leave it in there. The longer it stays in there, the more. I'm going to take a guess because I don't know. I would say about 80 to 100 bucks. But if you leave it in there for a week, it's going to get expensive.
And how do they know it's my bike?
Well, are you the registered owner?
Yeah, but like,
Then they're going to give it to you, but you're going to have to bring some kind of identification. Just like when you drive, you have to have identification.
do they check the VIN thing?
The VIN?
Do they write the VIN thing?
They will, and they're going to run it off the tag too. We'll double check the VIN to make sure it's the right bike.
Do you have any identification? Because you don't have a driver's license. You said you don't have an ID.
I do. I just told you.
Okay.
I do have an identification, not on me.
Okay.
Like, I don't have a backpack. Look at me. I don't
I'm
have
just saying
anything.
that's what you're going to need to bring in order to show
Yeah,
proof that you're
okay.
a registered owner.
Yeah.
Okay.
Some kind of picture ID.
I do.
Okay.
I'm fine.
I don't want you to go all the way up there and then you can't get it.
I don't even know where it is.
He'll write it down for you. It's right across the bridge. It's about 20 minutes from here.
It's the new Florida law that you guys were talking about.
What new law?
Oh, the speeders law. I think that Seth was talking about earlier.
That's like for a speeding infraction. We're not really using that. We're concerned about the reckless driving and not having the motorcycle
Yeah,
endorsement.
you guys told me that.
I didn't. I can't.
We didn't.
You
Yeah.
did.
I didn't.
Someone did.
I don't know who someone did. It wasn't me.
One of you guys said,
Okay.
oh, you don't know about the new law? I don't know. So what's that one? What happens with that one?
With what one?
Well, the new law that you guys are saying.
Mandatory court dates for certain speeds. Okay, it has nothing to do with what you're getting charged with.
What am I getting charged with?
Reckless driving and operating a motorcycle with no endorsement. The 2 criminal infractions.
How much is that?
Well, it's not a fine. You got to go to court for it. Okay, when you get out, and that's up to a judge what they want to do. What I would do when you get done here, get a motorcycle endorsement. You know, show them that stuff. Explain to them what happened. I would not tell the judge what you told me, that it was safe what you're doing.
I didn't say that.
Okay, you're saying.
I did not say
all right.
it was safe, sir.
Okay, well that's how I'm interpreting it.
I'm sorry, but no, I did not say that. Obviously
Make
not.
sure you don't tell that to a judge, because he won't like that. Just explain to him, you know, truthfully what happened, and it's up to him to whatever he wants to do. Okay? I'm just waiting on a female to come search you, then we're gonna get you over there to some air conditioning.
I'm fine. It's the bugs that are everywhere.
They're bothering me too.
I know. I can see them.
It's in my ear.
Yeah, she was in my radar, but she's cool.
Just do me another favor. It seems like it's the right bike and shot.
Yeah. Was it necessary on this cop car?
Was your driving necessary?
No, I'm sorry, but my bike is a 400. I wouldn't gotten anywhere if you were to chase me. Like, it doesn't even go past 100. I wouldn't have gotten anywhere. Even he said it. He had a 400, right?
I have a DRZ 400.
Yeah, you know. I wouldn't have gone anywhere. How is this?
I'll put the seatbelt on you for safety reasons. All right. Oh, move your head. There we go.
Bruh, no way. Well,